treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Brianna.
So for the second of the video, I have to put my hair on this side, but let me tell y'all, these tape-ins snatched. This is my first time ever trying. When I tell you my mama snapped on these tape, this is something totally different for me and her. It looks different. It looks good. And like, let me tell y'all, I can literally put my hair in a ponytail. Like, this really looks so good on me. And my hair, my real hair is out. However, y'all, I want y'all to get right into the video. And I want to give a shout out to Ywigs for sponsoring this video. Y'all better go run and get some because I feel like this going to be my new. I love this on me so bad. Real bad. Okay. I have nothing but good things to say about these tape-ins, y'all. If y'all want to see how cheap this look, then stay tuned. But before we stay tuned to the video, y'all, I wanted to let y'all know that my memory cards, like I was telling y'all, I have to get extra memory cards because shooting in 4K is like a lot. Which on my iPhone, you can clearly see it way better. But stay tuned, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome to another tutorial, y'all. Today's sponsored video is going to be featuring Wigs, y'all. This is something a little bit different because I never tried these type of clip-ins. Now, you know you have micro links, you have clip-ins, you have tape-ins, but actually, let me correct myself. These are tape-ins, y'all. So I never tried tape-ins, and neither has my mom. She is my stylist, so of course she's going to be doing these on me. And they sent over 20 inches, and these are the Faux highlighter silky straight human hair tape-in extensions, y'all. So these are how these look, and these are in 20 inches. So they have a highlighter bundle and two 1B bundles. So this is how my hair is looking, y'all. I told y'all I had a bald spot and I had it on both sides. After that sew-in, it was over with for my edges. Like, my hair is already short. And in the back, I had gotten into a fight like in 2014. And girl, it was balder than that. It grew back some, and then on the sides, y'all, honey, that sew-in ate it up. But nonetheless, I'll probably be getting a shortcut because that's really what it's looking like. But this is my mom doing the hair. Let's get into it. She's parting my hair. She's going to leave most of the back out because there's really no point. I can't do it anyway, but I can put it in a ponytail and just gel it up. And therefore, I could put it in ponytails and everything with these clip-ins. So, well, tape-ins. Girl, get it correct. So she's just parting my hair, and she's going to keep parting each section. But what she's going to do is she's going to take the 1B first, which she did on the first row, and then she's going to take the highlighted on the second row. So she's going to play with it and do how she wants to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to part the hair. You're going to take a section of the parted area, and then you're going to put the tape in, take the tape off, put the tape in, split the hair first. After you take a section, split the hair first, put the tape in, and then the hair that you have on the first tape in, you're going to put it underneath and sandwich it together. It's like a sandwich almost, like you're going to sandwich the hair together. She showed two different techniques, but I like this one better, how I just explained it. So you're going to part the hair. She's parting it now. You're going to take a section. You're going to put it at the top. Take the tape off, put it at the top. Flip the hair over and put the tape in underneath. Now, she's going to keep doing this redundantly over and over again, okay, until she gets to the top part. So, once again, let me explain it. So, I'm showing you right now, this is how far we got. I'm looking at it to see how it's looking. It's looking good. And like I said, most of my hair is out around the sides because it's too short. You're going to part the hair, put it on top of the hair. Do not put it directly on the part area. Save some space, put it down below, flip it over, and put it on, underneath. Now, she's going to do it again. She's going to part a little section. She's going to put it right on top, squeeze it together, flip it over, put the other piece underneath, and sandwich it in. That is all she is doing. And as you see, she's squeezing it together, flipping it down, and that's it, y'all. So, look, part the hair. This is the section you want to put it on. Put it underneath, squeeze it, and she's going to do another section. I think I didn't put both of those parts in there, but put it on top. I'm just trying to explain it. Flip it over, put it underneath. So part the hair, and you're just going to keep doing this redundant until you finish the tape ends, y'all. And then of course it's going to be onto styling, but I'm going to continue to let you see exactly how she's doing it, because I don't want to keep saying the same thing over again. And y'all enjoy, and I'm gonna meet y'all when it's time to style this hair. Yeah, I had to come back because this part is kind of important. So you see how she is parting that area. She is going to part this area right here, and she is going to flip it, but she's going to leave a little bit out because you want it to be covered. If you get what I'm saying, when I said that you could put your hair in a ponytail, you want that area to be covered. So please leave a little bit out, then put it right where you leaving it out at. Take a section, tape it, flip it, and then tape it again. So any areas that you know, like basically just leave your hair out around the perimeter if you want to do a ponytail. It's easy to watch her do it versus for me explaining it. But yeah, we in iPhone quality, and I'm gonna come back when it's time for her to style it here. All right, y'all. So we're done with the clip in. So at the end, I know y'all saw the end of the previous clip. She is now razoring this, but I didn't show at the top. She did glue a track on because my hairs were too short, so she had to improvise and glue a track at the top. So just one track. Like I told y'all, y'all could do this on short hair. Just be careful. My hair is thin. Like I keep telling y'all, if somebody blows on it, it probably will come out. But nonetheless, we did these tape ends, y'all. I often say clip ins. See, correct yourself, girl. And so during the midst of this video, don't forget to go in the description bar below and go ahead and shop with Ywigs, y'all. They have wigs, they have tape ins, which are being installed right now. They have micro links, they have it all, y'all. So go shop. But these tape ins, I think I'm getting used to them, and I think I am going to be wearing these from now on because my hair is down. It's not always put them in a ponytail, and I have like a dent in the middle of my head to where like I have to let it breathe. But this is convenient for me. Like my hair is out, like I'm finally able to, it's short, but I'm able to wear my hair with clip-ins, tape ins in. Like, girl, what? Yes, go check out my wigs. But right now what she's doing is she's flat iron, girl, get it correct. She's flat ironing the hair, and she's going to do this all over, but we're going to go for more of a 90s style, which is basically flat iron and then bumped at the end, y'all. They are just always bringing the old styles back, and I love it though. So she's also alternating between the curlers, so the little bitty curlers that she used to like do those shortcuts for my short hair, and then the big flat irons. I think we're gonna come out with those on our site, but I don't know, I'm not for sure yet. But just the same redundant thing. She's curling it, doing what you basically do when you doing just a style. And also, y'all, this reminds me of a glue-in. Those glue-ins used to get back in the day when you part the hair and put the track in. That's just really what this reminds me of. So we taking it back, okay? And we're gonna put a 90s style twist on top of this, baby, to eat. And this is my first time, well, my mom's first time doing a tape in anything. So if somebody had better hair, you know, it definitely will have, this is fine, but you know what I'm trying to say. If somebody had like real long hair, the tape ends would just flow and look really good. But this is like an improvised. This is on short hair, y'all. And so now what my mom is going to do is she's going to curl my little hairs that I have on the side. Because the back of it is bald, girl. One day my hair's gonna be long, but until then I'm thinking about cutting it. But y'all, what she's doing now is she's angling it to where she's gonna bump it, if that makes sense. So basically layering it, that's all. And now what she's gonna do is take these T3, oh no, she's gonna do the edges first, I lied. So I'm just showing y'all exactly how bouncy this hair is. If they had this in a wig form, I think they do, but I don't think I've ever tried their wigs before. However, if they had this in a wig form, they can go ahead and send it over here. Okay, Ywigs, for y'all listening, we could do another collab. Y'all go ahead and send me another wig. I mean, send me a wig so I can try it. Well, yeah, she's using some gel. I don't know what gel this is, but I will leave in the description bar below for you all that's asking, like, what does she do your edges with, what gel she does your edges with, and I'm gonna leave in the description bar below. So I tried to, well, I guess she tried to, because I never told her to do this, but she is doing the edges just like the lady did my wig. But look, I could do it on my hair, y'all. See, my mama hands is blessed, okay? Because I'm bald head, but she just seems to cover it up, okay? Look at this. It eats. Oh, girl, the girls will never know that I'm bald head. But yes, y'all, she ate this up. First time you wearing tape ins. Oh, she's gonna dry the edges a little bit so they get a little hard. I feel like I need to send them the big blow dry so they can get real hard, because I like my edges a lot hard. So my mama is smoothing everything out, okay? She don't like nothing bulky. She like everything to be smooth, okay? And that's me, a perfectionist. What did you expect? Okay, so she's smoothing it out, and then she's gonna take these T3s. Y'all remember when I bought these? Quick question. If y'all watch me like that, tell me when I bought these clip-ins. It's a video on here, but tell me which video it is when I bought these clip-ins. That's a question in here, okay? Comment down below if y'all watch this video. Tell me, when did I buy these T3s? Did I say clip-ins before? I think I did. Well, what she's doing now, she's gonna bump the ends, y'all, ever so slightly to give this layered look. And that is it, y'all. I'm gonna pose for the girls because it's look 8. And if y'all ever want to try some tape ins or micro links and wigs, don't forget to go check out Wigs in the description bar below. We ate this up, and if y'all want to see more tutorials like this, let me know. Also, another one, if you want to see me take the tape ins out, because you're wondering like, dang, okay girl, your hair thin, like how you gonna take them tape ins out? You gonna be bald head again? Let me know if y'all want to see it. Some more bald head, some more. Let me know if y'all want to see this video of me taking the tape ins out. But until then, I'm gonna see you all on the outro. Y'all made it to the end, okay? Let me tell y'all, my hair was literally so short. It's still short, of course, but it's out. She had these tape ins. This was her first time literally doing it. As I'm looking at it, the more and more I grow to this hair. Go ahead and follow Wigs right now down in the description bar below, and everything that was used in this tutorial. Let me know if y'all want more videos like these. And my lash is probably like going down. That's the only thing about side parts. If y'all like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my next hair tutorial.